In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Node Maven proxy to target any specific country of your choice, which means you can then promote specific CPA offers or affiliate product to target that specific country. And I've previously talked about how reliable Node Maven proxy is on this channel. Now I'm going to show you analytic from one of my TikTok accounts. As you can see right here, over 85% of the traffic comes from United States alone, while the rest are spread across other tier 1 countries. However, for those who don't know, Node Maven is a high quality residential proxy provider which has over 90% high quality proxies. Unlike providers that I've previously used in the past, which barely have 25% high quality proxy. And most of the time, this can cause your account to get banned or your content not reaching your target audience. So this is why I recommend using Node Maven proxy. And don't worry, I am going to show you the quality of Node Maven proxy. So if I come over to my account, all I simply need to do is to go over to proxy setup. And here you can choose any country of your choice. So I'm going to take United Kingdom as an example. As you can see right here, I can also target any region, any city of my choice, and I can also target any internet service provider of my choice. All right. So now you want to make sure this box is checked, which means Node Maven is going to provide only high quality proxies to you. All right. So here I'm going to try to generate 50 proxies to show you how reliable Node Maven proxies are. So here I'm going to click on this button to copy this proxy. Now I'm going to use this extension called PixelScan to check the quality of these proxies. As you can see for yourself, all these proxies are of high quality. As you can see, the quality level here being high. So if I keep scrolling down, you can see right here, Node Maven proxy are of high quality, and you can be rest assured your account is safe and you can use it to target specific country of your choice. So to get access to Node Maven proxy, all you need to do is to click on the first link in the description. And if you do that, you're going to see various packages that you can subscribe for. This plan do not expire, as you can use them for as long as you want. All right. And also you can come over to where it says start trial. So once you click on that, all you simply need to do from here is to select your payment method, and you want to come over to where it says apply coupon. Here you want to type in XB and you want to click on apply. So if you do this, you're going to get 2 gig of free traffic that you can use to make money with Node Maven proxy. Once you have your proxy set up, the next thing you need is an anti-detect browser to use with Node Maven proxy. And I recommend using Go Login or Multi Login. So these are some of the best anti-detect browser out there that you can use. All right. So once you come over to either Go Login or Multi Login, all you simply need to do is to create a quick profile. So once you create a quick profile, you want to come back to your Node Maven account. So once you come over here, you want to change this to 1. If you change this to 1, you'll be able to copy one proxy, which you can then apply to that Go Login profile. So all you simply need to do is to then paste in the proxy right here. The next step is to create any social media platform account of your choice. So I'm going to take TikTok as an example. So all I need to do from here is to click on run. Once you open any of the profile, all you simply need to do is to go over to tiktok.com. You can see right here that this content are from people in United Kingdom, okay, which tells you you can use this account to promote CPA offers to people in United Kingdom. So once you do that, you can create an account in that country, and don't worry, you don't have to use a phone number. You can create an account with email address instead. The next step is to upload content on your account, and you can do that by going over to canva.com. Then you want to click on videos. If you click on videos, you want to then make sure to select TikTok video. As you can see, there are a lot of templates right here that you can use as well to promote any CPA offer or affiliate product of your choice. So if you don't want to create the content yourself, you can simply come over to the search section and you can look for content in whatever niche you're working with. So you want to come back to your CPA account or affiliate account. So you want to then look for a CPA offer or affiliate product to promote. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. All right. So you want to make sure whatever offer you're working with is available on both Android and on iOS. All you simply need to do is to promote this offer in your account. As you can see, your account is already UK based. So you can come over to TikTok and search for keyword like get paid. All you simply need to do is to download and re-upload these videos back on your account. These are other keywords you can target as well. You can see this one, employee getting underpaid. So basically, if you search for this, you're going to see a lot of videos related to this keyword. All you simply need to do from here is to click on the video you want, and you want to come over to where it says copy link. So if you click on this copy link, come over to this website that says snaptik.app. So this website allows you to download TikTok videos without the watermark. So you want to basically paste in the TikTok videos right here, and you want to download that video to your device right away. And also you are going to see that this website is going to provide you the hashtag this person used for that video. So you want to basically copy the same hashtag. And if you do that, you will definitely get a lot of traffic from UK audience.